Let's take a look at another neighborhood right here in Savannah, Georgia. By the way, if you are from out of the state of Georgia and you're planning on maybe moving to this area, this is the channel for you. Go check the playlist, check a bunch of neighborhoods, and call me if I can help with anything. All right, let's get started, guys. I'm about to turn right here into this community, and you will notice something, which is the Godly Station School. Now, that is not the topic of this video, okay? This is just mainly about the community, the prices, is it on a vault on yes or no, the distance, etc. So that right there on the right side of the screen, that is Godly Station School. If you wanted to do some research on that, I would consider neighborhoodscout.com. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. That's the place where I do research, and it has free features and some of them are paid. But anyways, let's get started with this. So Spring Lake, okay? You're gonna find houses like this on the screen, okay? That one is a two-story home, single-story home, right? They're stick built, no basements right here in Georgia. Okay, no basements. Stick built on a slab. Some of them have vinyl siding exterior. Some of them do have the brick veneer exterior, or a combination of both. All right. Another thing is, this one is on an HOA. The HOA give you access to the pool, the playground, the gym, the common area maintenance, and all of that, all of those good things. Okay. Also, let's talk about the proximity. For example, if you're wondering, okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing, but how far is it from downtown Savannah, or how far is it from the military base? Okay, so if you wanted to go downtown Savannah, it'll take you about 30 minutes from here, all right? Depending on traffic, of course. If you are in the Army, like I was for 6 years, in the Army, Hunter Army Airfield is about 35 minutes away, okay? Now, guys, now that I'm saying that, traffic here gets heavy after 4:30-ish, especially during school season. So you have to keep that in mind if that's something that is not a big deal for a lot of people, right? There's a lot of military people in this area of Savannah. So if you don't mind doing that, of course, that is an option as well. Also, if you wanted to go to Tybee Island, it'll take you about 45 to 55 minutes as well, depending on traffic. All right. Let's talk about other places, by the way. For example, you have noticed that this community look alike. If you watch some of my other videos, they look like the ones in Pooler, and some of the other ones in Port Wentworth. Okay, now I've been asked to find a certain type of property that I know for a fact we don't have here. Okay, I'm having this issue. I specialize in helping people from out of the state, mainly, right, but through this YouTube channel. And I have noticed that the expectations that people have are about 80% of the time, they are actually wrong. They're like way off, okay? I know some people don't do enough research because they just basically getting started, but a lot of people are wanting to find homes that are customized, right? Like custom homes. I want something that looks custom. I don't want a home that the same floor plan is repeated throughout the community, etc. So if that's you and you don't like, for whatever reason, you don't enjoy this type of community, I would suggest you to check Southbridge, Savannah Quarters. Okay, take notes. Southbridge in Savannah, Southbridge. You have Savannah Quarters, which is actually in Pooler. Even though the name says Savannah, it's not in Savannah. It's actually in Pooler, Georgia, which is part of the same county. So consider Southbridge, consider Savannah Quarters, consider the Landings, right? Or just consider any part of the old area of Savannah, which is South Savannah, zip code 31419, okay? Because in that area, yes, the homes don't look alike, but they are usually a lot old, at least in South Savannah. I'm not talking about Southbridge, Savannah Quarters, or the Landing, but at least in the South Savannah area, which is Windsor Forest, Georgetown, some area of the East Savannah, which is 31406. That zip code has homes that are smaller. They don't look like each other, and yeah, you might have a better option there. Okay. Now, another thing, guys, let's say this is your first time watching, you're not too familiar with this area. Just send me a text message or call me if you need to. Like, I can help you. I got a bunch of videos. I know a lot about the market. This is this is basically what I do for a living. All I do is go out there, talk to people, visit community, visit neighborhoods, make videos, do research on the market to, to be able to sound like I know what I'm doing, of course. So yeah, any questions that you have, if I can help you with anything, whether it's right now or maybe later at the end of the year or maybe next year or whatever, just send me an email or text me. I can help you. We can have a conversation and maybe go from there if you think it's necessary. So that right there is my number on the screen. That is my email. I'm also on Facebook, Luis.Bruno Realtor. I'm on Instagram, okay? Agent Luis.Bruno, okay? Agent Luis.Bruno on Instagram. If you got TikTok, just look me up, living in Savannah, just like this channel, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys. I don't have much to go over with you guys. You know what to do. Send me a text message if you need me. And if not, that's totally fine. Just keep enjoying the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.